Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve error on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve error on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Roblox and you can enter here. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Roblox. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you